I'm out of gyms, man.
Work out. Oh, look at that body. That's outside. You can't even see. That's my TV. That black thing. That's my TV. That is Joe.
You recording?
Look at his face right there. Look, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Look.
Yeah, like a ghost face. Basically, this how the girl be.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No.
Come on, man. I'm gonna go on YouTube.
You do it then.
I don't know it.
I don't either.
Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Making statements. Assuming. Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Why are you asking all them questions?
Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions. Now you asking all them questions. Making statements. Shoot. What was that?
That was hard.
I just see your throat jump. What's in
Who? Who did? Who called your house?
The police department, almost.
Wait, why? He did it so wrong. You guys can probably see my flow when you can't. There's my centipede. Oh, bro, that looks beast. I got purple LEDs on that. I got red LEDs on that. Bro, that looks scary. Here, now, I'm gonna turn off the light and see what it looks like then.
What looks good?
Oh my god, that is so weird.
What?
Oh my god, dude, there's someone sitting on my bed. That is not cool at all. You're going on YouTube, ghost.
Cut the light up and then I'm gonna appear somewhere else.
Free for all.
Hey, this is a cold boy.
Hey, look, you guys want to hear my trigger finger? Don't shoot, don't shoot. Alright, going on YouTube. That's a tube. Go